Starting a blog? Choose between platforms like Blogger, WordPress, or even vlogging on YouTube. Whatever your choice, the goal is to get noticed and generate traffic. To make your blog visible on Google, add it to Google Search Console. Click Add Property and input your blog's URL. Google will crawl your blog, checking for issues like poor code or spammy links. Boost your blog's presence by submitting it to social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Create profiles and link your blog to increase brand awareness and drive traffic. Ensure your blog is easy for Google to crawl with a sitemap and robots.txt file. These files, often automatically created, store and manage your blog's URLs for efficient crawling. Don't stop at Google. Add your blog to Bing Webmaster Tools. Log in with a Microsoft account and import settings from Google Search Console for seamless integration with Bing's search engine. After 24 to 48 hours, check if your blog is indexed by searching site http:/yourblog.com on Google and Bing. If it appears, your blog is ready to reach users. Keep sharing your knowledge.